Alright, so today, thanks for joining me. I'm just doing some maintenance. Here I'm also testing my smart probes to see if they can reach from the condenser to the attic. They may not. This is my only way to the attic, is this elevator. So here we are. I brought 3 jugs of water up. So I'm gonna make so many trips. Already replaced 4 mirror filters up here. One unit on this side. Still needs flushing. My probes are connected to this unit. Doesn't have a coil. Yeah, this is the master bedroom, as you can tell. Yes, I like Metallica. So when I labeled the units here, that's me. I wrote my M. Let's just see. Does the job link connect here? I know in the basement I did not connect. Oh, I can read my probes on the suction side, not on the liquid side yet. But that's promising because I am not that close. And I got that side too. Okay. Before I worry about that, a couple drains to flush out. I'm not going to be able to take you guys down in the master bedroom to turn that on. Just respecting my customer. This unit's all flushed out. Does this one want to start? Oh, while waiting. Quickly go to the other side. Turn these on. AC units running. Yep. Got that one there. That zone that I have down here. Air handler with a couple zones and a condenser. I've already swapped all 4 of the MERV filters up here for the server room in the house. This does 2 zones. The one up there is a 3 zone. I like the notes I find on top. Just sitting there. My name's on it from 2014. When somebody changed a board, they put that I found the fault. Failure, because I've been taking care of this house for years. Anywhere that I'm at all the time, we'll have a hole on both sides of the ductwork, so I could do a temp split while I'm here. One there, one there. This one's got dampers on it, one's there. The other one is right there. Let me get some water and flush this one real fast. And this one's satisfied. Turn it off. Just see, did this start yet? Still wants to be off. It's like in and out the connection, it looks like from here. here. And the other one when I go down there. I always ask when I come to a project like this, have you had any problems recently you need me to look into? Usually there's something somewhere in this house. This time, nothing. Everything is good. So I still like to open, see the inside of the units. I'll take a rag and wipe that off. As for the drain, not bad. Disturb any garbage or gunk in there. And the brushes are all different tools. This is the best as far as I'm concerned. And it's already on my truck. And if it gets nasty, I just throw it away and get another one. Give that drain a good flush. Water usually doesn't come through this hard. They even fill up secondaries. Drains are clean. New filters. This one just shut off. So I'm gonna go visit the one at the bottom. See if that one's ready to turn on. Love the little step ups and downs they gotta make. At least here they give me stairs. Pretty clear. That's a secondary. A little gunk. That'll clear right out. This is all I pretty much do when I'm doing residential areas. Big commercial stuff. I like these houses though. Usually, it's sad to say to us men, but usually it's the lady of the house that knows what's going on, and most of the men in these houses are friggin' clueless. Not here though, this guy knows shit. Again, that on the paper, but you can see it's all white, because that's condensation. They like to run their AC cold here. That's why this sweats. Got condensation here too. The gunk goes on the flat line, boom. A little too much. A little spilled, no big deal. Whew. Only thing I wish was that people wouldn't run their ACs at like 68, because this is what happens, 68, 67. Now that it gets cold, you even get moisture there. Alright. So we're waiting the timeout. To bypass, you hold it for 10 seconds. I just think everything's off. The house has just kind of been like that today. Everything's off. Alright, so I'm going to turn some things on so I can do some splits. I want to see if the tool works up here, if the job length reaches from those probes. I'll be back. Put stuff away I don't need. I mean, we're not on yet. Differential on that machine either. 68. Hope this thing turns on soon. No, it's on. Let something drop. 64. 141. Okay, well, we gotta give it a couple minutes before we could actually know what these pressures are doing. So, be back in a minute. So it's satisfied that a perfect 20-degree split. This one's off, I can turn it back on. The one down there had like an 18-degree split I'm happy with. So just make sure I turn them all back on. Have to go outside, I had to clean up the condensers. It's back on, it's ready to go whenever it's ready. I moved all those stats back. For those that have stuck around on this video long enough, check this view out from the attic window. Pretty nice view. Now, there's a trail going down that way. Underneath that trail is another cliff, all the way down over there and back that way. And there's 3 condensers on that cliff. I mean, it's pretty nice out there. Let's go see how that tool is doing. Can't do a review on this thing or say it's a good tool or not. I just got it. I'm impressed so far. But, you know, gotta have something for a while. Just wish I had the air probe so I could test them too with it. This guy came back on. So the pressures. That looks pretty good. Might be a little overcharged. But I'm gonna leave it on. Look, oh, it lost connection. I came here, it's like, oh, connect tool. But 16 degrees of superheat's good. 54 degrees pipe temperature is fine. It wouldn't drop connection so much, but I am very far. It does it when you're right in front of it also. I wonder if my phone is interfering at all. They're trying to connect the bolt at once. And the 11 degrees of superheat just a little high. I think this unit's rated for 10, but whatever. I'm happy with all this stuff. I wish it wasn't dropping out so much. But from the attic, this is a very large house. This is 3 stories up. I'm able to actually see pressures outside. Not gonna say, hey, this is awesome, I'm never losing connection. But let's see if I come closer. Look at that. Now I'm not dropping out. Now it's actually staying because there's the outside wall before it drops down about 30 feet to where the condenser is. And now I'm not anymore. See, now I'm just close enough. It's all cement brick on the outside. So here I'm in a range that's good enough that I can read. It was right here where it started to all of a sudden, yep, lose out. But hey, that's pretty cool. So, reading pressures in an attic. 48, it was like 69 going in, probably colder now. Let it run for a few minutes. There's no load at all on this machine today. So, see where the split stops. I also still have to do the pool house. I have to get out there. Yeah, 20-degree split. I'm happy with that. That's perfect. Usually, I don't even check pressure. This is all I do is splits. I know. I should check pressure. But a split will let you know if you need to check pressures or not usually. I don't know what's upside down. I know it, but I can't get it to flip. So 73. And this unit has a lot of refrigerant in it. Years ago, there's a duct all the way back there that got disconnected by the cable guy. I was getting nowhere in the room, one of the rooms downstairs. Right after all the construction was just finishing up, having to settle with dampers, on the duct work, adjusting all the airflow on this. This unit was a pain in the butt at first. Turns out that there was a hot water recirculating loop in the wall right behind my thermostat. Also, I had to go wireless for this thing. Right up there's the window. I was taking a picture of it. Heading to 3 of the condensers. Make sure they're off. Gotta get water down here. Gotta run a bunch of hose. Another reason why HVAC techs need good boots. Shut the power off. Put them on when I'm ready to work over here. All the way down there is the road. I love this job. These things are always clean because I clean them really good every time I get here. Oh, process. They're pulling some hoses over and everything. Hope you guys are having a fun day, but this is HVAC for me, residential AC maintenances. I got 3 here and then 3 all the way on the other side of the house. Here's 3 more on the other side I gotta clean, and there's 1 all the way up there by the boathouse, by the pool house, I mean. She's over that way. Till next time, I'm Bill and I'm out.